Good morning, students. Previous class I have explained practice 8E. Now we have to explain. We have to go for next exercise, that is self practice 8F. So just you see here in this exercise also that is related to percentage chapter only, but some word problem is given in that. Some different types of varieties we have to use here, different types of method we have to use here, but concept is same only of percentage. There will be no any difference. So in the question number first, just you read 55% of the students in a school are girls. What percentage of students are boys? Find number of students if there are 216 boys. So number of boys is given and percentage of girls is given. We have to find first of all percentage of y, and then we have to find total number of students. Method of self practice 8F. Okay. So in the first question, first of all just write on girls percentage. Question number first. Girls percentage is equal to 55%. Okay, and number of y is given 216. Number of y is equal to 216. Now, first of all, we will find percentage of y. So, first of all, what we do in this case, total percentage is 100. So, we will subtract 100 minus 55. Okay, then it will come 45%. So, percentage of y is equal to 45%. Now we have to find total students. For that, what we will do? We will suppose here that total student is equal to x. Total student is equal to x. We will suppose here. After that, what we will do here? We will find percentage of total number of students. So how we will find number of y is given and total number of students, we have to find value of x. For that, we have to make one equation with respect to y's percentage. So y percentage is equal to like this: number of y's upon total student, number of y's upon total student into 100 into 100. Okay. So y percentage is question is given already 45, and number of y is 216, and total student is x into 100 into 100. Now this one is a linear equation, same like that we have to solve here. So what we do in this case, just multiply this one, it will come 21600 upon x. After that we will do here cross multiplication. Here 45 will x multiply and this one to 21,600 multiply to 1. So it will come 45x is equal to 21600 into 1, it will same only, so no need to write down 1. Now this 45 will divide here, so x is equal to 21600 upon 45. After that we will do here cancellation. So in 9 table we can cancel out here 5 ja, and this one 9 table also will cancel out. So 2 ja and 4 ja 0 0. Now by 5 table we can cancel out 480 will come. So final answer is 480. So total number of students is 280. 480. This is the final answer. Okay. Now same types of question number 2 you have to do. Just try yourself. Now I will do question number 3rd. So how will do question number 3rd? First of all, just you read the question. Here, calculation gives length of line segment as 6.4 centimeter. According to some calculation, it will come like this. While the drawing a measurement, it is obtained as 6.6 centimeter. Find the error percentage. So how much percentage error is coming here? So first of all, in this question, 3rd, calculation length is according to calculation length is equal to 6.4 centimeter, but according to measurement, it will come length is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Okay. So how much difference is coming here? So percentage error we will find here. So percentage error is equal to 6.6 minus 6.4 upon 6.4 into 100. So we will find percentage with respect to calculation only. Okay. So percentage error is coming here in the measurement. So subtract, it will come 0.2 upon 6.4 into 100. Now this both point we can remove here because after 2 decimal is there. So just write down again like this, 2 upon 64 into 100. Now cancel out here, this one 32. After that it will cancel out 25 for the or 8 for the. It will come 25 upon 8. And after that we will write down the extraction. So 3 1 upon 8%. So percentage error is equal to 3 whole 1 upon 8%. Okay. This is the question number 3rd. Now we will do question number 4. Fourth question. Just try yourself. Okay. Question number 5 I will do now. So in question number 5, what is given here? Manish obtained 498 marks out of 600 marks, and Arvind scored 640 marks out of 800 marks. So whose performance is better? So we have to find whose percentage is greater. So for that we will find both percentage marks. Okay. So in question number 5, as you see here, Manish's percentage marks is equal to, or Manish's percentage marks is equal to, write down like this. Manish's percentage marks is equal to, marks percentage is equal to 498 upon 600 into 100. So we can cancel out 2 0 here. Now 2 table we can cancel 3 ja, and this one is 24 and then 9 will come. Now we can cancel by 3 table. So 8 and this 3. So it will come 83%. Okay. So Manish's marks percentage is equal to 83%. Now we have to find percentage marks of Arvind. So Arvind percentage marks is equal to how much? Arvind percentage marks is equal to, like this we have to find how much he obtained. He obtained 640 out of 800. So multiply by 100. So 2 0 will cancel. Now we can cancel out 80 marks, 80%. So just you see here whose percentage is better? Manish's percentage is better. So Manish's performance is better. So just write down performance of Manish is better. Performance of Manish is better. Performance of Manish is better. Like this, if this types of question will come, we will do. Manish's percentage is better. Okay, now just question number 6, just try yourself. Now we will do question number next 7th part. So just all of you read the question number 7 first of all, what is given in that. So in first of all, if word problem is there, so you have to read the question first. So in this first 7th question, in a mixture of milk and water, question number 7. The price of an article is reduced by 25%. In order to retain the original price, by what percentage should the present price be increased? So in the question is given 25% price is reduced. So we have to find what percent should we increase, then it will retain original price. So first of all, you have to suppose original price. Okay. So let original price is equal to x. Original price is equal to x. Okay. Original price is equal to x. Now, so after reduced percentage, how much will come original next price means new price. So just reduce 25% of x. How much will come? So new price will be, new price is equal to x minus 25% of x. So it will come x minus 25 upon 100 into x. Okay. Now if we will cancel out, it will come 4 ja. So x minus x upon 4. After you have to take LCM here. So nothing is written means 1. So 1 and 4 LCM will be 4. So it will come 4, and in one table 4 will come 4 times. So we will multiply here 4 and here x will same. So for x minus x, it will come 3x upon 4. So new price is 3x upon 4. Okay. Now we have to, question is given, what should we increase in this? What percentage should we increase by this price? Then it will come same x. So increase, now we have to retain the original price only. For that, just you write down increase price, percentage increase price is equal to increase price percentage is equal to, just you take difference x minus this 3x upon 4, and we have to find percentage with respect to new price. So we have to put here in the denominator part 3x upon 4 only into 100, because we have to convert it to percentage, so we have to multiply by 100. Okay, now just you simplify here again, we will take LCM, it will become 4 LCM and it will multiply here 4. So 4x minus 3x upon 3x upon 4 into 100. Okay, now this 4 will cancel out. Now we will subtract 4x minus 3x, x will come, and here 3x into 100. Now x will cancel out, it will come 100 upon 3. Then we will convert it to mixed fraction, it will come 33 whole 1 upon 3%. So this is the final answer. Okay, so we have to increase 33 and half, 33 1 upon 3%. Then it will come again original price equal to original price. Okay. Now question number 8, just try yourself. Now we will do question number 9. So all of you read question number 9. In 1 liter of petrol is, in 1 liter of water is evaporated from a 6 liter solution containing 4% sugar. Find percentage of sugar in remaining solution. So first of all, in question number 9, total capacity of solution is given. Capacity of solution is equal to 6 liter. Okay, and percentage of sugar in question is given. Sugar percentage is equal to 4%. Okay, so in this we will find in 4% how much sugar is there. Okay, so just you find weight of mass of sugar is equal to mass of, or you can say capacity of sugar is equal to 4 upon 100 into 6. So it will come 24 upon 100 means 0.24. Okay, this much liter. Now 1 liter of sugar, 1 liter of water is evaporated means removed. So we will remaining solution capacity is how much? Remaining capacity is, we will subtract, remaining capacity of solution is equal to 6 minus 1, it will come 5 liter. Okay, so 1 liter has removed 1 liter water, so it will come 5 liter. Remaining sugar solution is 5 liter is there. Now we have to find percentage of sugar is how much remaining part. So new percentage is equal to, new sugar percentage is equal to 0.24 upon 5 into 100. Okay, so we will solve like this. So how much will come here? 0.24 upon 5. Just remove this, it will come, cancel out. Now 24 upon 5 will come. It will come 4 upon 5%. So new sugar percentage is equal to 4 upon 5%. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final question number 9. Now question number 10, just try yourself. Okay, after then in this exercise is completed, and whatever you will face any problem in the remaining question, that you can ask directly by the message or you can contact me. Okay, and remaining next exercise I will discuss, that is profit and loss. I will discuss in next video. That's all.